Namaste and happy Thursday. I'm Ann at Rise Wellness here with another tip to help you live a healthy and happy life. Today's video is about the healing sounds of nature. All life is made up of sound. Some sounds are more healing than others. Any sound that quiets and expands the mind can be considered a healing sound. So this is particularly true for the sounds of nature. This is important information to know because we can use healing sounds to better our life. We can use these healing sounds to help us get ready in the morning, get through the day, and wind down after activity in the evening. We're lucky in that we live in an area where it's easy to walk outside and hear the sounds of nature. We can go out into the green belt or maybe even into our backyard and hear the chirping of birds. We can hear the rustling of leaves in the wind, maybe a little bit of water moving, frogs, crickets. We can actually have access to these sounds. Now, let's say that you don't have access to these sounds or you want them during times that they're not actually really happening in nature. There's an app for that. I have found two particularly helpful, wonderful apps for my iPad. You can put them on your iPhone as well. Now, Android has some apps as well, but I have to say I really like the Apple ones best. But don't let that stop you. So the two that I recommend are for the Apple products. The first one is called Deep Relax. It's all sounds of nature and some other scape kind of background music. What's really cool about it is that you can combine the sounds together. So you can have a forest, you can add birds, you can add in frogs, and you can change which ones you hear the loudest and the dimmest. You can create your own soundscape, put your headphones in, and listen to it at night before you go to bed or as you're going to sleep. I do this at night now, and I find it deeply healing and relaxing. There's another app that you can use called Spa Music. This one has ambient music as well as the sounds of nature. And again, you can combine the sounds, bring some up, dim some down, and you can create your own playlists. I like to listen to the soundscapes with a little bit of music in the mornings when I'm getting ready. It helps me ease into activity, and then the nature sounds help me wind down in the evening. So, try it. I think you'll like it. Discover your health and happiness here at Rise Wellness. Thanks for watching. Namaste.